The Israeli flag, for example, which is nothing more than a piece of fabric. The Bible, which is nothing more than a book comprised of ink and paper, stir up more emotions than the murder of animals.
גרי יורובסקי, פעיל זכויות בעלי החיים שהרצאתו המצולמת הפכה לאחת הנצפות ביותר בישראל, הגיע לארץ כדי להרצות בפני עיתונאים. יורובסקי לא חסך בגישתו הביקורתית ליחס האכזרי לבעלי החיים.
If there were a barbecue outside this building today and people were cooking up steaks and hamburgers, there'd be a party. People would actually celebrate the cow who was killed, the person who killed the cow, and the chef that seasoned her dead body. And if you're having a tough time grasping this fact, it's probably because the only time you ever come into contact with cows and chickens and turkeys is when they're cut up and cooked on your dinner plate. The world's largest and longest running Holocaust. Every second of every minute, of every hour, of every day, female animals are raped to impregnate them. So we can steal their babies, separate families from each other, so we can kill them and sell their flesh and skin. If that's not the definition of a Holocaust, of a massacre, then I'd like to know what is.
יורובסקי גם ענה על שאלות שונות והסביר על גישתו הרדיקלית לצמחונות ולטבעונות.
About 100 years ago, before we started really polluting the earth, we never used to have to scrub our fruits and vegetables, okay, because the earth was still good. So nowadays we scrub it so much, we scrub off the B12. What I recommend is buying organic fruits and vegetables from a reputable source, make sure it's organic, and not washing it. It's horrible for the body. It's horrible for child development. One species on this planet that has huge amounts of vitamin deficiencies and diseases, and it's us. Because we're the only ones who don't eat naturally. When you eat fruits and vegetables, you don't have to be scared about your health.
לצד המאמינים הרבים שצבר בעקבות הרצאתו, ישנם כאלה שדווקא מתנגדים בין היתר, על בסיס היותו מורשע במעשי טרור והטפה לאלימות.
Breaking laws from people from Jesus Christ to Nelson Mandela, from Rosa Parks to Martin Luther King, laws have always been broken to facilitate substantive change.
ובישראל כתוצאה מכך אף ביטל שר החינוך את הרצאתו בפני תיכונים. כך או כך, שוב מי שמתעלמים מהן הן החיות.